5 reasons to use Artavolo and how it can help you achieve your business goals. Artavolo eliminates the clutter of traditional spreadsheets. Artavolo enhances how you manage and visualize data by offering a variety of views: grid, Kanban, calendar, gallery, and form, each tailored to different project needs and workflows. Artavolo gives you an efficient way to manage tasks and workflows, boosting overall productivity. Keep track of deadlines and visualize your team's time management with Artavolo's advanced features, designed to improve organization, accountability, and efficiency across projects. Artavolo is ideal for teams that need to present information visually, making it especially useful for tasks like product catalogs, event summaries, and other projects requiring a clear and dynamic presentation of data. Spotting trends, priorities, or relationships and organizing your data meaningfully is a critical aspect of effective project management and decision-making. Artavolo provides several tools and features that enhance your ability to analyze and interpret data clearly. Unlock seamless workflow management for your business. www.artavolo.com